Hey nacho lovers! Stay tuned as we unfold the secrets to creating nacho perfection. In a skillet over medium heat, cook the ground beef and stir occasionally. As the beef simmers, let's go ahead and prepare our toppings, combining diced tomatoes, chopped onion, chopped cilantro, and diced serrano, then season with salt to taste. After our meat has turned brown, add the taco seasoning and 3/4 cup of water. Stir well and let it simmer for a few minutes. Heat nacho cheese in a saucepan and stir for even heating. Additionally, use a large dish and spread out a layer of chips. Then drizzle the nacho cheese sauce over. Spoon the seasoned ground beef evenly over the chips. Lastly, add the toppings over and garnish with scallions and avocado slices. Enjoy the fiesta of flavors. And check out Mexgrocer.com for products to elevate your nachos game. Happy munching!